rehearsal day mo, may prepare ako sa'yo. Ito na yun. Wait lang. Tulungan ko lang saglit ha. Sandali. Nag-isip talaga ako kasi only comes once a year. So, ang naisip ko is yung letters ng name mo, main, is merong equivalent na gift. So, ito yung first. For letter M, sige, open mo.
Wait, kanino galing to?
Sa akin.
Sa'yo. Okay. Just making sure.
Lahat ng to sa akin.
Ano ba yan?
Ayaw magpabukas eh. Letter M.
Letter M.
Letter M is for medallion. Yan, pakita natin yung medallion. Yan ay, St. Benedict's medallion yan, main. It will serve as protection for you for all harm, accident, sickness, saka sa mga bad spirits. Para kahit pa paano, meron kang protection.
Parang sa'yo ko yata gusto itong ibigay kasi naman yung mag-iingat batang.
Hindi, andyan ka naman na, okay na yun. Suot mo lang.
Ayan.
Blessed na rin yan. Kaya,
Salamat.
okay, next.
Next.
Letter A.
A.
A is for...
For Alden.
Hindi. A is for alaga.
Ay, ano yan?
Ito. Lovebirds.
Ano ba yan?
Wow, lovebirds!
African lovebirds actually. Kasi may... Kuna mo diba yung mga lovebirds, hindi sila pwedeng mag-isa.
Ah, talaga.
Kailangan lagi silang magkasama kasi pag wala yung isa, hindi magiging masaya yung isang pares. So yan, tabi mo lang. Madali naman alagaan yung lovebirds. Pangalanan mo na lang.
Oh, sige.
Kahit text mo na lang sa akin.
Sino ba naaalagaan yan?
Ay,
Talagang
wala. Hello po.
Dapat nagregalo ko na rin ng manok para ano.
Ayun po.
Tayo ka ng farm.
After po ng alaga,
Ano
ito
ba yung
naman,
gift mo?
letter I.
Ay.
I is for illustration. So, drawing to. Yan, tulungan na kita, May.
Huwag mo takutin. Hindi.
Lola.
Alam ko, May. Ito.
Baka maglayas yan, oy.
Ang cute! Ang cute!
May, alam ko marami nang nagbibigay sa'yo nito sa yung mga nagmamahal sa'yo, supporters natin. Pero syempre, sana maging extra special to kasi sa akin talaga to galing.
Oo naman. Ang cute naman. May bago na ako ipapalit
Ayaw na maingay na.
sa bedroom ko, Char.
Illustration, then letter N.
And,
Letter N.
ang hirap hulaan natin. Hindi ba ito note?
Syempre may meaning pa rin yan kahit notebook yan. Yan, notebook and pen.
Notebook and pen.
So, sana starting today, 21, may sinolo talaga. Pag may naiisip ka, random thoughts, ikaw, random thoughts pa more ka eh. Pag may mga magagandang nangyari sa'yo, or kahit anong pangyayari sa buhay mo, sulat mo lang siya. Para pag tumanda ka na, tumanda na tayo.
Nakita ko ulit yung sayo, tapos papabasa ko
Yes,
sa lahat.
meron tayong babalikan dalawa.
Oo.
And yung letter E.
E. Ano yung E? Engagement?
Letter E na. Earring yan. Earring.
Engagement na. Engagement ring!
Teka lang, pinagpapawisan ako.
Ano na yun, di lalabunan ko. Itong
Engagement
letter E
ring!
na to is for your eyes only.
Wow!
Sandali, hindi pa ako tapos.
Oo.
Pag handa ka na, akong magsusuot sa inyo.
Yan o! Excited!
Message ko sa'yo. Alam ko, marami tayong nagiging distractors. Tayong dalawa. Minsan,
Bunny.
dahil dun sa mga distractors na yun, pati tayo hindi nagkakaintindihan. So, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na lahat gagawin ko. Yung mga wish mo sa akin, wish natin para sa ating dalawa, gagawin ko ng paraan yan, babe. Tsaka, kahit nasan ka ba, darating ako.
Bulisit.
Happy birthday, Mike.
Jowa mo.
Salamat. Na-excite ako buksan to. Pwede naman kayo.
Buksan na yan!
Salamat.
Matching color nila.
Buksan na yan! Buksan na yan!
Miss A naman!
For my
Buksan ka naman, Miss A!
Oo nga.
Ano naman, may mic naman ako!
Tapos, meron pa ako isang surprise.
Ano yun?
Nirehearse ko to, ha?
Oh, ayun na naman.
Music, please.
God, give me ano naman. God, give me.
I'm just something to fire. Your shine is something like a mirror. And then I'm the noise. You reflect in this heart of mine. Did you ever feel alone? The clarity hard to find. Just know that I'm always parallel on the other side. Switch your hand in my hand and a pocket full of soap. I can tell you there's no place we can go. Just put your head on the glass. I'll be trying to pull you through. You just gotta be strong. I don't wanna lose you now. I'm looking right at the other half of me.
Ah, dalawa talaga.
Yes, space and now you want. Show me how to fight for now. And I'll tell you, baby, it was easy coming back into you once I figure it out.
Wala na?
You were right here all along.
Alam mo yung kanta?
It's like you're a mirror. My mirror staring
Mirror?
at me. Couldn't get any clearer when anyone else beside me. And now it's clear as promise that we make it to reflections into one. 'Cause it's like you're a mirror. My mirror staring back at me, staring back at me. I'm looking right at the other half of me. The vacancy inside of my heart.
Inaayos lang yung damit.
Yes, now you want. Show me how to fight for now. And I'll tell you, baby, it was easy coming back into you once I figure it out. You were right here all along. It's like you're a mirror. My mirror staring back at me. I couldn't get any bigger with anyone else beside me. Now it's clear as this promise that we're making to reflections into one. 'Cause it's like you're a mirror. My mirror staring back at me, staring back at me.
Ito mo mo yung birthday mo. Ay, naayos. Kita kasi yung strap eh.
Natalo na sa ending. Happy birthday, man.